Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing something really exciting. I'm so beyond pumped for this video. Wally, stop walking around, you're interrupting the excitement. Got my sister shirt on, sister sweatshirt. I'm so excited to be showing you guys this palette. I have been holding it in, let me tell you. If you guys don't know, I do work for Morphe, so this has been something that I kind of knew was coming for a little bit, but it's here now, so I can show you guys. And this is the Morphe X James Charles palette. I am so excited for this. We've all been waiting for it. We have all been waiting for it. And James is just so talented, and to be able to see such a cool collaboration is really awesome. So I'm here to share that with you guys today. This is not a review. I already love the palette. I'm just here to share it with you guys and do a fun little look. So you guys can kind of get a feel of how the palette performs. I'm gonna give you guys a little bit of tips and tricks as to how to best work with the shadows. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into the James Charles palette. My sister shook. So this palette, a little background. Of course, it was created with our good sister James Charles. He is so talented, and he did such a fabulous job with this palette. You get 39 beautiful colors, and I have already been playing around in here, so don't mind the little swatch marks, but you get 39 colors. They are absolutely stunning. And the cool thing about this palette is that it was kind of modeled around our current palette that we have, the 39A. And the 39A also had these big pans right in the middle. So James really liked that idea and decided to go with the same kind of design, which I love. The 39A was really popular. I love the 39A as well. So I was really happy to see another palette kind of modeled after that. You have all the names right here on this little sheet. So you can see the names are really very James and very creative and funny and cute. So we're gonna get into that as well. There are a lot of shades in here. There's kind of a mix of formulas. You have your mattes, you have your metallics, but you also have a few pressed pigments in here. So those you do have to work with a little bit differently. You do have to kind of pack them on and layer them up so that you get full pigmentation. This palette is very pigmented, and it's easy to build up the colors to make them look exactly how you want them to look. So you just kind of have to know how to finesse it. So I'm gonna show you guys that today, and I'm really excited to get into this. I'm not gonna swatch everything because that would take me a year and a day. There's swatches all over the internet. Trend Mood has swatches, James has swatches, Morphe has swatches. So I'm just gonna do a fun look with you guys, and that's what we're gonna do. So the theme of the palette is Unleash Your Inner Artist, and that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna unleash it, girl. Okay, so first I'm gonna dip into the shade Playground, this shade right here. By the way, I've already primed my eyes. So with that said, I did use a MAC Painterly paint pot because James did recommend to use something along those lines. Basically, you want a sticky eye base. The Morphe one is fabulous as well. I just happened to put on the MAC one. So you wanna dip in and tap off. I wanna start right in my inner corner. And I'm kind of tapping it on at first. I personally like to start really light, so I don't like to put a lot of product on my brush in the first go around, just so I can build it up really well. Ooh, but she's pigmented, honey. She is pigmented. Okay, now I'm gonna dip into the shade next to that, which is the shade Brother. I love this. I'm a huge fan of Brother Ian. Brother Ian, actually, fun fact, reminds me of my brother who is 17, and he has that same like deep voice as Ian, and like his personality is the same. So Brother Ian, if you're watching this, you need to be best friends with my brother Colby. I'm gonna pop that actually right below the shade Playground, just like that, just to deepen it a little. And these work so well when you pack them on. Oh, that color is so pretty. And I'm going right back over the edge with the shade Playground, just to blend the two a little bit. I'm just layering them up really well so that there's a nice seamless transition there. Now I'm gonna go into the shade Cola, which is the one right under Playground. So Cola is right here. Oh, no, sorry, this is Cola. I'm just gonna bring it a little bit lower than Brother. And I'm just doing patting motions. The best advice that I can give you is to just give these shadows some time, layer them really nicely, and then just blend them as you go, very, very lightly. You want to work with a really light hand. This is the color Social Blade that I'm gonna go in with. I think that's so cute that he named this Social Blade because, you know, he's the Social Blade master. So I'm gonna go in with Social Blade, and same deal. I'm just going to start packing it on and fluffing it right in between. Color is so freaking pigmented, I can't take it. And then I'm gonna really stamp it on. And then I'm deepening that up with the shade Daddy, which is right next to Social Blade, that dark green. I'm just kind of fluffing that in there. And then going back in Social Blade and just mixing that in one more time because I really love this color and I just can't get enough. We're gonna go in with the shade Single right here. And I am winging that a little bit. Just a little. I'm not worrying about this edge being messy right here because I'm gonna clean that up, but I am worrying about blending. And then I'm gonna deepen one more time with the shade Escape right here. And I'm popping that right in the outer corner. Ooh, should we cut the crease? Sure, let's do it. So I'm gonna take my little NARS Chantilly little pot concealer. I'm gonna dip in here. And let's just cut the crease because why not? All right, I think I'm gonna stop the cut crease right about here. And I'm gonna go back over with that purple and just stamp it right on the outer edge. Oh yeah, that's cool. And then back in with that lighter purple, just to blend a little. Actually, I'm gonna go in with the shade next to it too, which is Skip. I'm just gonna put just a teensy bit of Skip right here. And I'm just patting that on. Yes, that's exactly what we wanted. And then I'm gonna take a little bit of the black and just stamp that just on the outer edge. I'm just feathering that over it. Barely. And that is what we should be looking like. And then I'm taking the white and I'm just pressing it right on the lid just to set that concealer. Okay, then I'm gonna go in to the shade Artistry, which is, oh my God, I can't believe I just cut all that crease. All crease cutting. Then I'm gonna go into this shade Artistry right here. I'm just gonna take it on my finger. Look how freaking stunning this shade is. I can't take it. I'm gonna take that shade just on my finger and I'm just gonna plop it kind of right here. So we can get a little bit of that iridescence. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. Oh my God, that's so pretty. This is probably my favorite shade in the whole palette. I'm obsessed. And then I'm gonna take this shade Sister, which is up here at the top. This guy right here. And same deal, picking that up on my finger and just blending that right inward. So we get a little bit of like a shimmery gradient going on. Ooh, yes. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna take the shade Ring Light, which is right here. And I'm going to bring that in to the center. And I like using my finger for the shimmers because I feel like I can just press it in and get instant full pigmentation. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. Just on this little itty bitty baby brush, I'm gonna take that white shade again, which of course is called Flashback. And I'm gonna just highlight my brow bone with it. Oh yeah. Perfect. That white shadow is so nice. I love that it's buildable. All right, well, I'm gonna go finish up my face, throw on some lashes, clean this up, and I will be right back. All right guys, this is the finished look. I just finished up off camera. I put on my base. I did my lower lash. I just put all the same colors that I put in my crease right underneath. I put ring light right in the inner corner. My lip combo is the Morphe Coffee and Kissy lip liner with Jeffree Star Christmas cookie, a little bit of I'm Nude right in the middle, and then the Morphe Frosé gloss. The highlight is actually the big highlight that's in the palette. So it's this guy right here. Whoop. Right here. It is absolutely stunning, and I put a little bit of ring light just in the high points just to make it really pop, and I'm so happy with how this look turned out. I'm obsessed with this palette. You guys are going to absolutely love it. It's pigmented, it blends well, it's beautiful, it's everything you need, and it's $39, girl! Yeah, that's the James Charles palette. I'm so excited. James, if you're watching this, which I highly doubt you are, I hope you love my look. And I wish you all the best in the entire world. I think that you are so just incredible for your age, and I wish nothing but success for you. That's it, guys. It's the James Charles palette. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll leave my links for my Instagram and all that down below. Comment down below and let me know if you're excited for this palette. Yeah. Give this video a thumbs up too, why not? Let's just do it all. Go subscribe to James, guys. He's almost at 10 million subscribers, which is incredible. I'm so excited for him and for Morphe, of course. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.